Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off video on Zoom meeting. So let's start. First open the Zoom app. Now tap on join to join a meeting. I'll just quickly join a meeting right now. Now tap join. Now enter the passcode. When you are entering Zoom meeting with your phone, your video will be turned off. Now first tap on call over internet to use your device audio. Now to turn on your video, tap on the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. And you'll see your video on bottom right corner. Now tap on that and your video will enter the full screen. Now to turn your video off, tap on the camera icon again. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.